Yeah, it's actually the navigator.
Satellite phone.
This is a satellite phone. So it looks. It's phone, which actually the Kasabs have used. No, it's not that ship. It's actually we are standing right now in captain's cabin. Yeah. I don't know what it is. That is gearbox.
This is the thing which we handle.
See now.
Steering.
The steering. The actual view where the captain gets. See this? No, this is actually we are standing on the land. That is why you can see all the yard. Shipbreaking yard it is. See one more. A clear view. You can pause the clip right now and you can see actually what it is. See this, the whole yard you can see from. This is what the captains get the view when he drives. So actually it's the water where you get normally when it is driven. Oh, coming back, there's one horn also over here. And one thing, see this is the steering. Steering. And see I'm rotating, there's something which is, there's nothing working. Now there's some radar which is there. It is very expensive.
लाइन लगाओ इसकी यहाँ से आते हैं ना यहाँ से जितने रुपए आप खरीदोगे ना डबल पैसा
There's also computers and all this things are kept over here. There's one special room also inside which takes you inside. I don't know there is enough light over here so you can see, you will get a clear view. नीचे से ही गाड़ी See this thing.
ये पूरी एक अलग की नगरी कर दे पूरा का पूरा देख कितना लंबा पट्टा.
See this. It's a view from the, not from the top but almost from the top of the ship, and you can see the complete yard and all those ships standing over here. This is all breaking yard in Alang. It is almost a district in India. And you can see how big and huge it is. There's so many cranes which are working. There's something which you can see a new crane which is stationary at its position.
You've got through all this thing.
This is not
Alang.
This is not complete.
This is incomplete.
This is incomplete. There's something which is covered now. अंदर से रास्ता, हाँ अंदर रास्ते से चलता. ऊपर चला एक बार. ऊपर खाली खड़ा हो. अच्छा. So we were not allowed to go on the top. There's just something else which was also on the top. See this. There's one more platform, but we are sorry we cannot go over there. No permission. Once again, see the view.
This is the way.
The complete view. Now there's one internal way where this is the actual way, but due to less of light you cannot get. It's a bit darker. Even I need to walk. Now these are some cabins. Since there's less of light, an internal cupboard, a sleeping bed also. See the time also is clocked in over here. It's not working. See, due to less of light, you will not get a clear idea. One room. This is the second room. And they are all scattered things kept over here. There's one more life jacket is also kept over here. It's locked, so we cannot get it out. See, this is me and I cannot wear this jacket now. I'm sorry I cannot take the snap of this jacket. This is the third room. This is the fourth room. Ashtrays, wash basins, bed, and a room. A different walkway over here also. That is all to go down. See how bad it is. All the biscuits are still kept. So this is the view of inside. See, this is the plan. You can also see over here. This is the plan, and you can see the ship also. The whole ship is also there. I'll stop this video for a second and I need to take some snaps out of it.